solving the project or the series. And again, if you like content like this, please remember to subscribe. And let's get down to it. We'll probably solve one problem today because it's a little late. As you can see, we have solved 41 problems so far, and today we are going to solve problem number 42. Problem number, let's take a look at what it is. Problem number 42, coded triangle numbers. Let's create a new Python notebook. We will call this problem number 42, like that. Problem number 42. And let's, like we normally do, let's copy the problem. Problem number 42. And this problem is called coded triangle numbers. Okay, let's take a look. So this, I will just do that, and okay, let's take a look. So tn, so this should be underscore n, and this should be like that. Actually, I will put this as, okay, let's see. The nth term in the sequence of triangle numbers is given by tn equals that. Okay, triangle numbers, does this have to do with a Pascal's triangle? Pascal's triangle? No, I don't think so. Okay, so nevertheless, let's take a look. Is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is the sum of, is it? This is no, n into n plus 1 by 2, I think. I don't remember. n plus 1 times n by 2. Yeah, so if you have an increasing EP, arithmetic progression, then I think this is the sum of that arithmetic progression. I don't know, I don't remember. Okay, never mind. So the first 10 triangle numbers are blah blah blah, or okay, whatever. They're converting each letter of a word into a number corresponding to its alphabetical position and adding these values. Okay, so I know that something like SKY, I have to first figure out, I think it's ORD S. Okay, minus ORD A is 18 plus 1. A should be 1 plus 1. Okay, so ORD A should be 65. D A and 65. Okay, so by converting each letter to a word in a word to a number corresponding to its alphabetical position and adding these values, we form a word value. Okay, for example, the word value of sky is that, and if the word value is a triangle number, then we shall call the word a triangle word. Okay, use the word dot text, this one, Let me save link as, and I want to go to programs, project Euler, names.txt, like that. Okay, words.txt. so if I do ls, there's names p042 words.txt. okay, is a 16K file containing nearly 2000 common English words. How many are triangle words? Okay, so let's see. Head P0. Oh, it looks like that. Okay. A is just something. Ability, able, about, above, blah blah blah. And is it comma separated? Okay. Okay, I understand. So we have to get the words with open. So it was P cat P, yeah, that. As F. Is just a single. Okay. Now L. Now L dot split. If we split on comma, we will have something like that. And words equals W for W in that, and dot replace that with nothing, and words. Okay, so we have a list of words. Okay, and if we do length of words, there are 17, nearly 2000. So I am guessing that that's all there is. Okay, 17,000, 18,000 words. So we have so many words. Now what we need to do is we need to write a function that will convert a word into its constituents. So we need to get this value. Okay, so how do I do this? let's say def word value. It'll take a string word, it's a string, and it will give an integer, which is the value of this particular word. So result is 0, and then this will be the accumulator, and for W for character C in word you need to do this ORD. Actually you can just map ORD word and V minus 25 V minus 64 for like that. Okay, and you sum the whole thing, and result is that, and return result. Okay, so word value of sky is 55. Okay, so we have a function that will return the word value. Now the next question is if the word value is a triangle number. So the next question is a number a triangle number? So how do we check for that? So the way we check for that is, if I multiply this by 2, 55 by 2, then I should be able to get an integer n, which if I multiply by n plus 1, it should give me a number. Okay, so it should follow this. So for example, if I get 55 into 2 is that, and if I take the square root sqrt of that, let me get rid of these things. Okay, and okay, so if I get and the floor. Okay, so floor of that is going to give me 10, and n is that, and n into n plus 1, right, equals 2 into 55. So you need this condition to be true. If this is true, then it's a triangular number. All right, so let's write another function that will take a is triangular, like that, is triangular, is triangle. Triangle is G triangle. It takes a number int n is of type int, and it returns a bool, like that. And we just copy this because that is basically what we need to do, and this is what we need to return. Okay. Oh, we'll call this, oh, this is number, and then two is number into 2, right? And this should be that thing right there, number 2 and number 2. All right, so that's the thing. So for example, is triangle 55, and the answer is true. If triangle 56, 6, answer is no. 56 is not it. So what we want to do is we want to say, is triangle word value of sky? And if it is true, then we say, yep, this is what we want. Otherwise, this is not something that we want. So given this, and this is something that I really like about Python. It's very expressive in this sense. So now, given that we have all of this, all we have to do is we have to find all the triangle numbers. So all the words that are triangle numbers, words equals W or W in words if that word let's be explicit instead of implicit. So this improves readability. Okay, so these are the triangle words, like that. A is a triangle word. Is it? A is 65. Oh, A is 1. 1 plus 2 by 2 is actually 1. 1 times 2 by 2 is actually 1. Yeah, A is, wow, okay. So we want to find how many there are triangle words. There are 162 triangle words out of the 117. It's 1700. Okay, how many? 162. Let's check whether this is correct. Okay, so this one was also pretty simple, and we finished the entire thing in about 20 minutes. So it's one of those simpler problems that we solved today. So okay, thank you so much for joining us today, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.